One lonely piece of fuel up in the air for the Blue Alliance. Doesn't look like either alliance has managed to get a gear on board their airship. Cyborg Ferret's putting some fuel up towards the boiler. Bare Metal does as well. And when it's all said and done, it'll be 17-11. Now 57-52 as a little more fuel is processed and the pilots get the reserve gear in place on that first rotor. Keep an eye on 32-38. That's the Cyborg Ferrets. They are undefeated and they have gotten 4 rotors moving in every match. The only team in play with a qualification ranking score of 3 right now. But a strong Blue Alliance is going to see what they can do about that. Bare Metal is up at the blue boiler, and they are working on fuel. They've got some collected as they get bumped by the High Desert Droids. 753 not going to let the 2046 robot sit where it wants without a fight. Minute and a half to play and a 5-point lead for the Red Alliance. 97-92 is the score. 2 rotors moving on each airship. And after the harassment by 753, Bare Metal gives up on the fuel. They're heading back towards the retrieval zone, and they're going to try to pick up a gear. Droids now working on 6350. The Enumclaw Hornets and the High Desert Droids, 2 of our most steadfast defensive robots, tangling. And everybody stands clear as the 753 heads back towards the blue airship. Meanwhile, the Ferrets, sneaky fast and sneaky strong. They get another gear dropped onto the red airship's peg. That's picked up by their Alliance pilot. Looks like they placed that gear on the 4th rotor, but the 3rd rotor not yet turning. They may need another gear in place, or they may just need to turn the crank. Not sure yet. The Blue Alliance has 3 rotors turning, though, and that's helped them out to a 132.97 lead. Now we see that crank turn for Red, and 137 to 132. The Red Alliance retakes the lead. 30 seconds remaining. It's the Stormbots back at the red retrieval zone. They're going to get back through and out of the way of Bare Metal. Bare Metal has the rope down, and they're going to look to climb on board. Apex, the first blue robot to signal ready for takeoff. There goes 2046 right behind them. For Red, it's the droids. And the Ferrets and the Stormbots kind of hung up on each other. Just 5 seconds remaining. Now 4, 3, 2. A very quick climb by the Cyborg Ferrets. But it looks like for the first time at this event, 32-38 will not see 4 rotors spin on their airship. Scores are in, and we will post them up. No 4th rotor spinning, but the Red Alliance still takes the victory. 237 to 232 is the score. That will allow the Cyborg Ferrets to hold on to the number 1 position. High Desert Droids move up to number 13. But Gary, what did you see there with the Ferrets unable to get that 4th rotor turning for the first